Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to my first YouTube video. So what we got going on today for my little brother, he wants to get a 3 on the sides with a mid to high taper, and he wants to leave the top, so we're probably just going to blend that into the sides. Starting on the sides, I'm going to be combing the hair down real quick before we get started, and I'm going to be using the number 3 guard, and I'm going to be going straight up into the top of the hair. Hey, real quick though, I got to shout out my cousin at Quit Playing With Him, Ali. Shout out to my little cousin. He makes some fire beats, man. If y'all need some beats, go follow him up on Instagram. So now we're going to start the taper with any trimmer that you guys have. You're going to use that and you're going to set in this curved line. So now I'm using my Babyless shaver to go all the way up, and I'm just gonna leave just a little bit of space. You want to be able to see that skin to stubble transition a little bit. Now I'm gonna be using my no guard open, and I'm gonna be flicking up just about half an inch, maybe a little bit more, maybe about 3/4 of an inch. And I'm gonna be following that arch. You want to make sure you follow it because you want your blend to be consistent all the way through. So now I'm going to be going with the 1 guard open, and I'm going to be flicking up just about another inch. And I'm flicking up a little bit because blending into the darker hairs with my little brother's hair is a little bit tougher, so I need to flick as much as I can with his hair. Alright, so for whatever reason my camera did not finish recording the taper, so I had to record the other side just to show you guys the process. So film's gonna look a little bit different, but it's alright. I'll be explaining it. Alright, so picking up where we left off, I'm gonna be closing the 1 guard about right here, and I'll just be softening up the line before we start blending into the longer hair. Then I'll be using the 1.5 guard close, and I'll just be going straight up and just trying to blend into that number 3 guard. Now with the number 2 guard, I'll just be going straight up into that number 3 and just trying to get it to blend as seamlessly as possible. After that, I'll be using the 0 guard, and I'll be closing it, just trying to flick out the line, and you guys will see as it slowly goes away. Now the final step that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking my OSTER fast feed, and I'm just going to be closing up the lever and playing with it a little bit just to make sure I can get out that last line. Now I'll be doing the back taper, but it's pretty much the exact same step, so I'm just going to speed up the process for you guys.
Now that I'm finished with the blend, I'll be lining up the neck and around the ear with my Andes liners.
Move. Anyways, now that that's done, I'll be lining up the C-cups and then working my way towards the hairline. Now with the hairline, I like to start in the middle and work my way to one side. I generally work towards the right side first and then move my way to the left, but whatever's comfortable for you would work. Alright you guys, this is the final product of the haircut. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching my first video, and I apologize that I couldn't get full footage on camera, but I did my best, and I'll be working on it soon for sure. Thank you. fucking stupid, this camera. It keeps focusing on the fucking washer.